Trading became easier. Trading became easier once I realized this. Don't trade if you don't see a good entry. The worst thing you can do is enter when the market is weak. Even if price moves, your P&L may not move that far. So pick your battles, because what doesn't cost you money will cost you your psychology.
Let's see something. Let's try it now. That's way better. All right, I want to see how it looks like if I play like say for example, if I play this from Michael.
Applicable on the charts. It's so easy to identify.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation.
If you follow this simple framework. Okay, we have people inside Envision that are doing very well on the back of this, getting their best months to date, getting funding, getting payouts. You just need to copy, apply, and practice. So, with that.
Let's see.
Of people. Wow.
Got to give him credit on what he's done with that. So, Tom, I'll give you the final thoughts on this here before we move on to the next story.
I think Florida's got a sensible constitution that says, let's not be ridiculous. I think that's what Governor just said. And so I think either we need a federal control or we need the states to voluntarily do this. But guess what? The home of political corruption, the OG of political corruption, has been Chicago and Illinois. If you just go look up the history of America and elections, Mayor Daley and the machine that was there and the corruption, and it would represent upsetting the apple cart and just redrawing everything.
Way better. Let's go. Let's go to trading. All right, today, let's see if there's news. 10 a.m. there is news. But news happened at non-employment claims happened at 8:30. There was no truly reaction. So let's go on TradingView and let's see what's the word. The session is about to start. We already hit all-time highs. Now we're in a new all-time highs. So we're gonna keep this. I think this is gonna be a continuation day because of the candle. It might leave a fair rally gap. It could like consolidate, to be honest, but we're gonna see. So our main priority right now is to be patient, right? To be patient, because I like. Let's see, for example, Muncher Grows. What's good, bro? What's good, Gango? Let me try this. Go live. Guys, let me change the name real quick of the live. Can't sleep. Yo, what's good, Shadow? What's good, Shadow? Live trading. Live trading. Hello. Welcome, bro. Welcome, guys. Sorry, I think it's delayed a little bit. But yeah, YM is pushing up. I like that. Okay. YM is the only one that's literally trailing. I would love for YM to make some action, make some movement. If you look at the daily right now, YM is the only one that hasn't hit all-time highs yet. So I feel like he's gonna catch up. You thought I was feeling you? I love it. 4 hour change. Yo, what's good, Waffle? What's good, Gango? Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. Y'all ready to make some money today? There is a boom, boom. Yeah, today could definitely be a continuation day. But I'll be the target, though. Let's see. Yeah, I'm like wondering why I can't see it. Let's put 30. 1 hour, okay. Good target. What's good, homie? What's good, homie? Let's wait for the 4 hour. But NQ is just pushing up. NQ is definitely not the pair for me to trade today. Because it's already all-time highs, bro. It's making new highs, making new highs, making new highs. I can't trust that. But so far, I like the 1 hour. Let's say, for example, if the 1 hour comes back, like I said here, the way that YM is pumping up like that, I feel like it's good to reach this target right here. Yo, welcome everybody. Welcome. Say something, guys. Say something, guys. Ideally, I would love to see price to suspect this. This would actually be my entry. But if price gonna keep like pushing up like that on the 5 minute, I would target that high right here easily. But if price comes down, gives me a breakout structure here, you know what that means. But ideally, I would love a counter pullback on the 15 minute, the 5 minute, on the 1 minute at least. But yeah, we're gonna be checking. That's the goal. Not rushing any trades today. Impulsive, corrective. Feel me?
Es difícil porque, mira, por ejemplo, Pancho, que estás casado y Carlitos. O sea, ustedes no quisieran por lo menos que su mujer les dijera, oye, ya tomé la decisión de que me voy a aumentar el busto y ustedes a lo mejor de decir, no, pero ¿para qué te arriesgas si te ves súper bien así?
Pero si estás casado te avisan porque pues tú vas a pagar. O sea, no, pero más que nada un ejemplo, yo lo digo por mí porque ya no es tanto el que no te lo hagas. Yo le he dicho, si tú quieres hacértelo, háztelo, pero para mí no lo necesitas. Pero no es como que yo le diga, no te lo hagas, porque al final de cuentas si ella lo quiere lo va a hacer. Pero yo tuve una novia.
Remember, guys, you gotta remember, if you're going bearish, we have to go bullish first, right? Price has to go up first. And if we're going bullish, price has to come down first and then go up. So right now they both giving both prices are pushing higher. NQ just reached a new milestone yesterday by reaching all-time highs. But at the end of the day, like I said, we're very patient. We're not rushing any trades. Ideally, I would love to go bearish, just because we are tremendously in a huge range, but it's tricky to trade all-time highs. So that's why I'm just like observing right now, staying calm, collective. But YM is like pushing consecutively. I like that. If I was to trade YM and if it's gonna keep pushing, I would literally target this, ideally. But remember, I only trade on the 5 minute, so let's see. And I gotta use the bathroom. That's crazy. I'll be right back, guys. We are waiting patiently today, bro. This is nice. This is a great move, to be honest. We could we could see that on YM price wants to continue going up, but on the 15-minute here, it's about to close. We're staying patient. Remember, time and price. Price is just saying bye bye. Remember, we have a target up here for YM. If YM keeps pushing high like that, that'll be our target. Ooh, ES is already coming down. See, that's some great liquidity right there for YM. Yeah, price is just pumping up at this point. Guys, we're saying, yo, Dirty Bird, what's good, Gango? We're just saying patient today. I'm not rushing anything. If price decides to come to me, I'll take the trade, but that's our target for today. Ideally, I would love for price to manipulate down here and then just bounce up right here. But price is just going crazy up. Look at that, look at that. It's not giving no room today. Yep. It usually leaves equal highs and then come back down. Boom. We're not taking nothing here. Price hit the target right there. I don't trust that market no more. What's good, Dirty Bird? How you doing, my brother? Today's gonna be tough today because like I said, price already all-time highs and it's not giving anything. So my alarm is hitting right now. YM. Yeah, YM reached. Yep. YM is soaring right now. To be honest, I don't see YM they get popping up like that. Like continuing like popping out. It's gonna like stop right here, to be honest. There is a new day opening gap here. That means we gotta be extra careful. I'm doing pretty good, bro. I can't complain. God is good. I bought Surf Air Mobility before earnings last night, and it's up 25% right now. So I'm happy with that quick gain. Yes, sir. Congrats, bro. Lit. That's awesome, gang. I'm looking for. Let's see if we get an opportunity today, so you can see me how I trade, gang. This is a good target as well, but I don't like how price took liquidity here. But like price is just pumping, bro. But this, like I said, this would be an awesome target for a quick scalp. This will be a quick scalp right here. But you see how like we finally getting a bearish candle? That's no good, bro. Dirty made some money. Okay. I want to see how the 5-minute closes here. I like the reversal right now. For me to take the trade, I still gotta wait. But it's finally getting weak though. Like I said, guys, I'm not rushing anything, gang. Still need to rush. I just love how prices is pushing up today. Price saying, uh-oh. Boop. This is normal. Yup. Are we gonna finally see that pullback? You see, this is actually beautiful. Right here. If we could, yes, that's actually great right here. If we could actually get something here, I'll aim for these equal lows right here. We just have to wait. I just want to make sure there's nothing here to like push the price up again. Okay. But ideally, this would be beautiful shot right there. Boop. Equal. Remember, there is a Peter right there. We got to be cautious of that. Oof.
Order
Let's
filled.
try that. Let's try this. Let's try that. Are we just staying patient? If price is really truly bearish, it should not take out my stop loss right now. It should just continue going down. That's what I like to see. We have a nice target. Those equal lows there. Boop. What do you guys think, guys? Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go to my break even, or is it gonna take my TP? Love it, love it. Don't go breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my heart. Yeah, that was my entry point, gang. The green line is my entry point. We're currently above $1,000 right now, and the goal is to get 1,500 for a price to go to that TP. You see where that other green line is? This green line, this is the TP. So if price goes there, that's when we close the trade. Patience, patience. This is all about patience, patience, patience. Look at the 5 minute. Exactly. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down. It's just playing games right now, gang. That's what it does. We could definitely close right now if we wanted to. But it's about trusting your trade. But let me put this better so you guys can see it.
Order filled.
Yup. We hit it. Target hit, bro. Target hit. W in the freaking chat. W in the freaking chat. Dirty Bird, you loved it? You love that, brother? Can we get a W in the chat, please? You saw the patience that I had, bro? Perfect entry? Appreciate you, Dirty Bird. We did it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta lose at least like $1, $2. Because I made like above my buffer. Oh, so basically, like, yes, it is going down. So let me explain, right? Let me explain. Give me 1 second, bro. Let me just write this down real quick. I'm gonna write it on the screen, okay? So you can understand what happened. Okay. Let me tell you, like, so this is what happened, right? I like how the 1 hour closed. The 1 hour closed perfectly down. I like that. All right, so as you can see, yesterday price came up, right? It took all-time highs. All-time highs is like it reached the limit. Like it already like it made a milestone, right? It made a huge milestone. But sometimes it's tricky to trade all-time highs. So I don't like really like going for shorts or anything. I don't even like trading, right? But we are doing a combine, right? But if we see our strategy, we will take it, right? So the goal today was like I know that price is not gonna go down a lot because it's probably gonna like leave a gap here for tomorrow, right? It's gonna probably like consolidate, right? We were just looking for a quick, easy trade. We was looking for a quick, easy trade, right? Just to like just we was just aiming liquidity, right? That's the goal. The goal was to aim for liquidity. So I went bearish. So I was just waiting for another bearish opportunity. I was waiting for a bearish opportunity, right? So it gave it to me. This is the black is down and the white is bullish, right? So the goal was because like price what it does. Price loves liquidity, liquidity, price love gaps, right? So what did I do? I have this liquidity here, which is from AM session, right? That's from 6 a.m., right? Even from London session as well. Those are strong liquidity. Price loves taking those out. So the reason why I didn't go bullish is because there's nothing for me to like target. You know what I'm saying? So the goal here was to see if price was gonna at least come down to towards this liquidity down here. So as you can see, I was targeting the equal lows, but I used a certain leverage, so it didn't like really matter at all. You know what I'm saying? So bada bing, bada boom. Price was consolidating. I let price do what it has to do. Once I saw this strong impulsive candle, so what do? Impulsive correction, impulsive correction, get money. It came down. I went the green line is so the green line was basically is the entry zone. So this is my entry right here, and I aim for equal lows. Any more questions, bro? Did you understand what I said? Yeah, bro. So that was my target. So the reason why I left here, this is my original target, but because I used like a different leverage, I use a little bit like higher leverage. I didn't have to chase after that. You know what I'm saying? So it worked out perfectly. It took a long time, but price what it do? Usually I would pyramid here. the reason why I would pin me here is because Price likes to do that. Price likes to like manipulate a little bit before going to his actual target. So as you can see here, Price came to the equal lows. That was the objective. Price consolidating. Exit here. Let me write it here. Exit here. 37 points. 1,500. 1,500. $40 plus $40. Wait. What was an account? Oh, 800 plus 800. Okay. Yeah, so 40 would have gave me 1,600. So bro, at the end of the day, to make money, you gotta follow rules. You know what I'm saying? TP1, 20 points. So you saw how like I moved my stop loss here. It was because we were like an all-time high, so I had it on break even. So I had it on the green line. So I had a red line and the green line at the same place because it already reached like when it was going down, right? It was around like here. It went up and down. So once I saw like it was kind of like actually like acting like a little iffy, it was acting crazy. So I actually boom. Gavin, what's good, bro? Dirty Bird, let me know if I explain it good. I'm still like learning how to like explain it like on live and stuff like that. I'm not like a good teacher, but I could be. 11 o'clock. No, 10 o'clock. Sorry about that. 10 o'clock and then 11. You said why, Gavin? What happened? Oh shoot! It kicked me out. Guys, it kicked me out. It kicked me out and I was gonna screenshot it. So basically, why it kicked me out, you explained it well. I'm just not familiar with the trading. Okay. That sounds great, bro. It kicked me out because I passed the challenge. Oh my god. And I have to redo this thing again. Shit. Alright, let me do this again real quick. But this was the trade right here. Boom. Equal low. Dirty Bird. Oh no, what happened? What's oh no? 1 minute. Change a character here. I had a 17, right? 17? Yeah, 17. Okay. It's funny how in the other one, in the other chart, I have red, and this one has blue. Dirty Bird, you looking for any more trades for today? Ole, 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 ole. $17. Nice. Which company? What earnings are coming out today? Which companies are coming out today? What earnings? Exit here. $37. 1,500 here. But. And when there's over, everyone, okay, Electrovoya, there's over 200 companies reporting today. Okay, well, lit. Nice. That's lit. That's lit. I'm gonna check it out right now to see like I'm gonna check that chart so I can see it. All right. Give me 1 second. Um, tickers is LELVA. They are forecasted for 40% quarter growth and have been getting a lot of context lately. Oh, that's late. I'm gonna check it out right now. Let me just finish journaling this. Wait, let me see if price is coming down. Yeah, price is coming down. Yeah, price is dropping beautifully. Entry. 1 minute. At 957. Exit here because it reached 37. Six. Taken at 10:11. Price is going to my daily analysis. Yeah, I'm gonna screenshot this. Boom. Oh, wait. Damn. So 3, wait, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to my analysis. Dirty Bird, you still here? My bad. I was locked in. ¿Qué lo que, Alexa? Dime a ver, ¿qué lo que? Dirty Bird, you still here? My fault. I was locked in. My fault, my fault. I'm just typing right now. The reversal The close confirmed. Oh, bet. Awesome. Alexa said what I'm doing. I'm making money, girl. We making that bread today, girl. But you see this candle right here that I pointed out? That confirmed the reversal. The close confirmed the reversal that was gonna reverse back. That's a CRT. CRT candle. Yes, sir. Hammer down. I won't consider it a hammer. Hammer is like a little bit thicker. Um, it's almost a hammer. I would say it's like the cross almost. It's between a cross and a hammer. But that confirmed it. Like the close, literally the 1 hour confirmed it. That was gonna continue going down. This is actually called SRT. Somebody that's what I've been seeing lately. It's called SRT. That's new to me, that phrase, but yeah. I'm gonna show you how this SRT looks like. Let me screenshot this. This came out beautiful. How's the screen looking, bro? Does it look good? Like, does it look nice? It was hard to put this like in a vertical screen, bro. But we tried it today. I used to have my head up above, so I feel like I like this version, like this way better. What is this? Why do we have? Whoa, what the heck is going on? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Okay. So what I do every day, bro? Yeah, looks good. Awesome. So what I do every day, I make sure I journal this. Make sure reversal trade using the 1 minute. So you put your ticker here. New York AM session. Already has the date. August, right? Weekday is Wednesday. Beautiful Wednesday. Market draws towards drawing liquidity. I use the ICT 2022 model. This is how much model I got, guys. I have the ICT 2020. I have the power of 3. I have the bearish continuation. I got the bullish continuation. I got the SMT. I got the IOF ED drill. I have the twin model. I have this this model, the ATM model. I got a lot of models, but this is my favorite model. Use the fair value gap. 1 minute. We made 2.5. No, we made 3% today. challenge. I was focused, good. I wasn't anxious, right? Right, Dirty Bird. I was chilling. I was very patient. I won't lie. I was patient. No external distractions. No boredom. Impatient. No, there was no impatient. There was critical thinking. There was set and forget. Traded based on nope. Everything was good. I just put focus, good, and patient. The trade lasted. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutes. Let's put 10 minutes. Market condition, distribution. News. There was a rare filter today. Short entry happened at 9:57. Exit happened at 10. Oh. Yeah, I was sure. Now there was one guy. He was like, He was like, cause he was seeing my motion when I was trading and I was the type of leverage I was doing, and he was like, "Bro, there's no way you're that chill," and I'm like, it like I understand it, cause people like get nervous. I get nervous too. Um, I'll say like no retest. Entry now. We don't know yet. Pros showed up. Identify the bias. Proper risk management. Um, yes, we used time and price because it was aware that we was approaching the 10 o'clock. We took one trade. I did not marry the bias because I was cautious that we was also going bullish. That's why I moved my stop loss. There was critical thinking. I zoomed out. I was patient. I did use stop forget because I didn't take parcels. No over leverage, marry bias, tight stop loss, no. Lack of credit, no. Zoom, then zoom out, no. Force your setup and patience. Hesitation, no, there was no hesitation. Didn't change leverage. No, I didn't change leverage. No cons. I would say like when it comes to like over leverage, I did use too minis. Bad bro, take care. Much love, bro. Have a good day. Have a good day today, bro. I'm never gonna check out the chart. Don't worry, bro. And we talk about later tonight. I'm going live tonight.
it's different for everybody, to be honest. You just gotta find what works for you. Maybe for you, anything under the M30 is gambling, but maybe not for the next person. This is an individual sport, not everybody's gonna think the same way. You know what I'm saying? All love, no hate, I'm just saying. You took the bear shirt on EQ9. Well, I just need to sit the pull back up a little bit. First it needs to close and then go back up. This candle needs to close and then blue needs to cross back over red. It needs to happen in that sequence. Or just not be super fucking bullish crossing so it separates. It needs to actually cross.
Sasa, what's good, Sasa? What's good, Gango? But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be ending the live soon. We already finished with our objective. I'm gonna check out. Oh. I'm gonna check out the. I'm gonna check out what, my boy Dirty Bird. I'm gonna take the screenshot of this. Sasa, what's good, Sasa? Traded a counter trade today towards a clear draw on liquidity. Draw on liquidity, which was easy, which was a no. Traded counter trade today towards a drawn liquidity. Equal lows. It was hard. It was a bit. Was good, Jacob. Was good, Jacob. Jacob Williams. It was a bit tricky because we are in all-time highs. Because we reached all-time highs yesterday. Higher time frame. Jacob Williams. But yeah, guys, this is the trade that we took yesterday. Price is currently coming to our objective. We like this. We love this. Wait, give me 1 second. Like this. Now let me put X right here, X here. X here and X here. I can't wait when my mom makes sancocho. Time frame. Strong liquidity. All-time highs. Strong liquidity. Change of character. Impulsive. Move down. I took the trade. It had all my entry criteria. All I had to do is wait for my setup to appear. All I have to do is wait. Something I use time and the candle indicated a potential reversal. Entry was time better than that one. My decision process was pretty good and also cautious because we are in a we are in we are at we are we are in a sky limit. We market is in a at all time highs. Did you let the trade run too long, or I let the trade run? I trusted my I, I trusted my trade, so I let that sucker run. I closed the trade. TP close my trade. Trade was managed well. I moved my stop loss when price reached 10 points. Stop loss. What was your stop loss? What stop loss was placed perfectly. I moved it to break even because I was cautious that we are in we are above all-time highs. Target hit TP. That impulsive move could have been a manipulation. $1,500. $1,500. Your favorite mod is here. 37 points. Using. I was confident today. I trusted that my trade was going to hit TP. I was confident today because I was very patient and waited for my setup to appear. What did you do well in this trade? I had a pre-market plan. Pre-market plan, followed my strategy. Hold the trade. I slightly used too many. Nothing trade worked out perfectly. A good trader. I just have to continue. I just have to follow my rules. Critical think more of where price could potentially go. Use higher time frame candles to identify reversals and continuations. Market structure was a strong key. Was used well, but can do a bit better. I'd use the 1 hour for a reversal confirmation. Follow my strategy. Look at that. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm about to end the stream though. Welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome. I hope everybody liked what you guys saw. Beautiful trade today. We would like to see what was gonna happen on YM today. And yeah, we're done for today. I'll be on for sure today. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe for the watchers out there. Jacob Williams, you still here, buddy? All right, guys, have a good one. Thank you for coming and have a great day. W in the chat, W in the chat, W in the chat, W in the chat, W in the chat. Alright, guys, have a good one. Thank you for coming. Thank you all for coming. We had a successful day trade today, and God bless. Like and subscribe.